for those who are serious of you to learn the Arabic language. If you want a proven Arabic course that is a step-by-step system with teacher feedback, structure, and accountability, check the first link in the description. There you will also be able to see Arabic stories from our students at Al-Andalus Institute, how they learned themselves and how at one point they started, and right now they are at a point where they're able to read, to listen, and more importantly, to understand the Quran on their own. If you have ever asked yourself how to learn the Arabic language without wasting years, this video will finally give you clarity. So let's get into it, inshallah. What is the Arabic language and why grammar is in the starting point? Most people complicate the Arabic language before they even begin, in a way whereas they psychologically tell themselves that they are learning Arabic grammar. And this is something that when I met Dr. Abdul Rahim, rahimahullah, the author of the Medina books, the books that are studied in the Medina University in Saudi Arabia, in the city of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he mentioned that for some reason people, when they learn the Arabic language, they tell themselves, I am learning Arabic grammar, as if Arabic grammar was the language itself. And you guys can hear it from himself here.
You see, in languages, you ask people, what language are you learning? He says, I'm learning Spanish, I'm learning French, I'm learning Russian. But if you ask a man who's learning Arabic, he doesn't say, I'm learning Arabic. He says, I'm learning Arabic grammar. There's a mindset which is wrong.